English Step by Step, phrasal verbs with into. In this video, you'll find a practice exercise for the 10 phrasal verbs that we looked at in the Step 1 video. So make sure you watch Step 1 video first. So here's the practice exercise. We have 10 questions, and the first step is to complete the questions with the phrasal verbs. For example, number 1, at what time of day are you most likely to something, a traffic jam? So find the phrasal verb to complete all of these questions. So that's the first part. And then when you've finished, you can think of ways to answer these questions. You don't have to write down the answers, just think of how could you answer these questions using the phrasal verbs. And then you can move on to the Step 3 video in which we'll check the answers and suggest ways of answering these questions. So I'm going to leave up the questions for 1 minute so that you can write down the answers, and of course you can pause the video if you need more time.